Hey there! Like many movie trilogy nowadays, they eventually comes up with a fourth installment. So inevitably, here is my Roti fourth video on Roti Tisu. Just look at it, look at it. The size of this magnificent gigantic gargantuan. It's like a large ice cream cone, don't you think? An oil oozing crispy sweet cone. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is so big, it needs 3 separate plates to hold on to it and basically occupying the entire table. And for 9 ringgit or almost $2.3, here is your supper. The very thin and crispy layer, that's the thing in there. And it's just like a tissue paper, hence the name. Well, it took us an hour to finish the huge supper and swallow it down with nice cup of teh tarik. Now you know where to get supper, right? I hope you enjoy and I see you soon.